Ooh. Ah. With your legs, not your back. Okay. There we go. Boy, pull that out of there. Yeah. See? Just, oh, okay, yeah, just 2 screws each. That's all there is to this. And hopefully this bracket and these screws are long enough to go back into that other TV. And if they're not, maybe we can use this bracket. We might be able to use a bracket and might have to go to the store and get longer screws maybe, but we'll check that out in a minute. It'd be a shame if we had to take that bracket assembly off, because if you saw, there's really not that much room for where this TV is. That's why they had it, you know, up against the wall so tight. You can see, here's the bed, and then when that's over there, that's the only amount of walk area there is. Once that dresser is pushed up against the wall, you don't have much walk area there. So it didn't make sense to take that whole bracket assembly down and have a different style that scissors out or that angles down or anything like that. Okay, so my next step, I'm pulling that TV apart, looking at the back of it, getting it set up, and I'm just gonna get that TV laid down right down here in a minute. Be right back. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos